2 Esdras 7, verse 22. And after the transgression of Adam and Eve, justice was established, so that the righteous might keep the right way. Selected frequency, 528 Hz. Transformation. This frequency was chosen because it represents the miracle tone, associated with restoration and returning to the original divine blueprint. While the transgression introduced a state of discord, the establishment of justice provided the corrective vibration needed to realign the soul. The 528 Hz tone resonates with this right way, offering the spiritual transformation required to move from the error of the past into the harmony of the Creator's path. The foundation of equilibrium. The verse begins by acknowledging a shift in the human condition, noting that, after the transgression, justice was established. This indicates that justice was not merely a punishment, but a divine, stabilizing force. It was the introduction of a standard, a spiritual law that acts as a guardrail. By establishing justice, the Creator ensured that even in a fallen world, there would be a clear, resonant frequency of truth that the soul could recognize and follow. The path of the righteous. The heart of the passage explains the purpose of this divine order, so that the righteous might keep the right way. This implies that the right way is a specific trajectory that requires maintenance and focus. It is not enough to simply know the truth. One must keep it. This suggests a lifestyle of staying in tune with the divine standard, using the established justice as a compass to navigate the complexities of life without losing one's spiritual orientation. The restoration of the blueprint. The establishment of the right way serves as the architecture for restoration. Just as justice balances the scales, this path provides the framework for the righteous to walk back toward the original state of perfection. It is a journey of transformation, where every step taken in alignment with divine justice heals the fracture caused by transgression, eventually leading the spirit back to its intended home in the light of the King. The frequency of realignment. This narrative is the ultimate expression of 528 Hz. Transformation. It is the vibration of DNA repair and spiritual healing. By meditating on this verse, you are accepting the invitation to walk the right way and realigning your internal frequency with the justice of the kingdom. It is the sound of a path being cleared, a life being mended, and a soul finding its rhythmic balance within the grand design of the Almighty. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Scion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.